In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean the rotary encoders for my Data Precision 8200. Somebody had this before me and they squirted deoxit gold or something inside all the attenuators and they were all crapped up and not working right. So there's other videos that show you how to take it apart, so I'm not going to go there, but I'll show you how I clean the contacts, which is different than how other people do. So there's the display board, there's the attenuator board. I pulled out all the attenuators, dissected them all, and basically show you what they look like uncleaned. So there you can see one unclean. It's pretty dirty. See if we can get a close-up here. Really a mess. All oxidized. Pretty nasty. So the way I clean those is I use a pencil eraser, and what I do is I very carefully wipe the contact area with the pencil eraser, holding the disc in place so it doesn't flex on the shaft. And as the eraser gets dirty, I cut it back. And so this is what they look like using an eraser. It doesn't take off hardly any of the material at all, but it leaves it very bright and shiny. See if we can get a better look here. Really clean. So once I clean it with the eraser, then I go ahead and I use a Q-tip and I clean it with the QD electrical contact cleaner because it leaves it chemically clean and it's safe for, most electronic devices. And once I've done that, then I blow out the inside using just a duster. It's clean air. And so we're gonna. Okay, it's all back together. It's fired up. All the attenuators work the way they should. They all carry over. Before they were all messed up. So there we are. We're at 1 volt. And let's take a look at it. Oh, the meter? Pretty close. Close enough for my purposes. Plus we got all this spaghetti hanging around here, picking up noise. Kind of messy. Let's check it out for 1/10 of a volt. Close enough for me. So I'm calling the operation a success. Seemed to work out well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.